Earning money by recharging mobile phones online can be achieved through various platforms that offer commission-based referral programs or cashback schemes. Here's a concise guide. Join affiliate programs. Participate in mobile recharge affiliate programs offered by online recharge platforms. Popular services often have affiliate or referral programs that reward you for bringing in new users. Sign up for cashback apps. Explore cashback apps that provide rewards for mobile recharges. Platforms like Paytm, PhonePe, or Google Play offer cashback on transactions, including mobile recharges. Refer friends and family. Many recharge apps have referral programs where you earn cash or credits for each friend or family member you refer to the platform. Encourage others to use the service through your referral link. Participate in promotions. Keep an eye on promotional campaigns run by recharge platforms. Some offer additional cashback or rewards during specific periods or for certain recharge amounts. Use recharge wallets. Recharge wallets often have loyalty programs or cashback offers. Utilize these wallets for mobile recharges to earn cashback or points that can be converted into money. Explore telecom operator offers. Mobile operators sometimes collaborate with online recharge platforms, offering special discounts or cashback for recharges made through specific apps. Cashback credit cards. Use credit cards that offer cashback on mobile recharges. Some credit cards provide rewards or cashback for various transactions, including online recharges. Stay informed about promotions. Regularly check the promotion sections of recharge platforms for exclusive offers and discounts that can help you save money or earn cashback. Read terms and conditions. Be aware of the terms and conditions of cashback or referral programs. Some programs may have specific requirements or limitations. Maximize benefits. To maximize earnings, combine different cashback and referral programs. Be consistent in using the same platform to accumulate rewards over time.